I'm Yurin, and today I'm going to show you how I DIY my curtains. So this is an easy DIY grommet or eyelet curtains on budget. So first, measure your door size. Products, materials are in the description box. You can tweak the amount of eyelet and the cloth up to you. Use the minimum to reduce my budget. So the materials are rods, flat tops, taping screws with PVC wall plug, curtains, tape eyelet ring 7.2 centimeter. I use 24. You can actually use more. So first, fix the rod, and then measure your curtains cloth. After that, sew them, of course. Draw the eyelet ring. Then fix the eyelet ring. Make sure to be careful and cut it properly. And lastly, place them on the curtains rod. You do need somebody to help you to place those curtains on the curtain rods. So overall, here is how it looks like. And this is the end results. Please do let me know if you like this kind of DIY. See you in my other videos.